Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete or archive text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Next, we're going to tap on the text messaging app, and then in here touch and hold onto a text message that you would like to delete or archive. Now you can also delete multiple messages by simply select multiple items, and in here you can either choose to archive or to delete. So let's say if you want to choose to archive, you tap on the archive button and it will get moved to the archive. Now in here, if you tap on the option button and tap on archive, you can see all your text messages has been moved to an archive in here. You can touch and hold, and then you can also undo the action, so you can move that text messages out of the archive. And to delete the text message, you can touch and hold. So touch and hold to get it selected, and then tap on the delete button, and that will get deleted from your device. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.